Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to show you a very useful tool contained within Supervisor View to allow you a little bit more visibility and control of calls in queue. First things first, go to the left-hand side. See the arrow pointing upwards and then go down to Supervisor View. But at the very top right-hand side, I go up here and say View Calls in Queue. It's going to list out all of the specific queues or skills that exist here. So if there's multiple queues going at the same time, you can look at individual skills specifically. In this case, we're looking at skill 1. Notice my external number right there, my wait time right there as well. And then I have a few options to manipulate this call in queue. I can transfer that to an agent from a drop-down. List all the agents. Transfer to a skill specifically, also from a drop-down. I can also transfer to a dialable number. This is a voicemail box. This is an external number. This is an internal extension. What have you. Just dial the number that you want right there, and I would transfer that call in queue to the place in which you sent it. Now also note here that this is number 1 in queue. Let's say I want to do this number 5 in queue, number 7 in queue. I have that option. I can have it bounce up to the top of the queue and send immediately at that point in time rather than waiting in line. A good use case for this might be a VIP customer. I want them to get treatment by me personally, so let me send it to my cell phone, etc. This is an example, but that's a very useful tool within Supervisor View to allow you to manipulate and manage your calls in queue a bit better with Xima CCaaS.